Are you ever confused about whether to use the word lie or lay? Well, today we are going to find out the difference and when to use it. Let's start with lie. Lie means to be in a horizontal or resting position. The infinitive is to lie. Present participle is lying. Past tense is lied. Past participle is also lied. Here's an example. She lies on the grass. She is lying on the grass. She lied on the grass. Now let's take a look at lay. Lay is to put or place something or someone down. The infinitive to lay. Present participle laying, past and past participle laid. Here is another example. She will lay down her phone. She is laying down her phone. She laid down her phone. Now you can test yourself to see if you really got it. He, the fabric on the floor yesterday. Laid. I like to. Down after a long day. Lie. She, her daughter in the crib. Laid. The blanket is on the couch. Lying. Please, the book on the table. Lay. The dog on the grass in the park. Lies. So how did you do? For more practice, you can create your own sentences using lie and lay, and be sure to use different verb tenses as well for a greater challenge.